Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. Sell in the market. That appeal from the police and local representatives from the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. They say now that the facility has been renovated with proper bathroom and lighting, vendors have no excuse to continue selling on the streets illegally. Krista Campbell has our report.
New bathroom facilities and better lighting, plus plans to pave the front of the old Harbour market in St. Catherine. The Chamber of Commerce initiated the renovations, which police and Spanish Town Mayor Norman Scott say will provide a more comfortable space for vendors to sell in. They say members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, as well as the municipal police, will also provide round-the-clock security that they won't get selling on the streets.
Once you are inside there, so them can't extort you. The only reason why them able to extort you is because you go out there and each man control him little area.
No criminal can thrive successfully in an orderly society. They will find it very discomforting.
But vendors questioned whether the market is large enough to accommodate all of them.
At this point, nobody knows. Why? Because nobody is in there. There is enough space and there are enough business for everyone. You don't need to fight to be on the front and the outskirt. There is business here for more than enough for everyone.
Meanwhile, with the title as the fastest growing town in the Western Hemisphere and still growing, Deputy Superintendent of Police in charge of Old Harbour, Damian Manderson, urged vendors to get registered with the municipal corporation to have a designated spot in the market. He says they will be able to capitalize on the vast economic opportunities from the over 15,000 housing solutions which are expected to be built in Old Harbour over the next 5 to 15 years. But for now, he estimates that only about 20% of residents from the newly built housing schemes currently shop in the market or the town.
The primary thing they will tell you is that there is absence of parking. There is too much chaos at the market. They will tell you all sorts of things that seem to plague us. If you have yourself organized, I can guarantee you if you're walking home now with $100 and feel like you have made a profit, follow the system and get organized, and I can guarantee you may very well be walking home in over 100,000, far exceeding your expectation.
There is the development plan as to modern car park with modern market where ground provision is set aside, dry goods is set aside, meat and fish is set aside, and food, food where you cook food, that area is also set aside.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.